Genetically modified food. It seems that we can grow almost anything nowadays. There are watermelons and grapes that have no seeds, carrots that are purple, rice that is super rich in vitamin A, and tomatoes that do not rot as fast as they used to. These are all genetically modified foods. GM foods have had their DNA altered through a process known as genetic engineering. The first commercially grown GM food was a variety of tomato developed by Calgene, a biotechnology company in California. Calgene submitted its GM tomatoes to the U.S. Food and Drug Administration for testing in 1992 and launched them on the market in 1994. Now, at least 90% of the soybeans and corn sold in the United States have been genetically engineered. But the science of plant genetics is not new. Many scientists have been working in this area for a very long time. Originally, it involved cross-pollinating certain plants, grafting plants together and obtaining the best seeds from the most desirable plants. Advances in technology have taken traditional plant breeding methods to new levels. Scientists are able to take a set of genes from one plant and insert it into another. This process is known as splicing, and it creates species that do not exist in nature. For example, scientists can combine the DNA of a plant with blue fruits, like blueberries, with the DNA of red apples, to produce blue apples. It even works on animals. A cow can be genetically modified to produce more milk. There is still a great deal of controversy over the pros and cons of GM foods. Proponents believe that genetic engineering ensures bigger crop yields and creates improved fruits and vegetables. GM food crops are said to have faster growth rates, greater resistance to pests, and more nutrients than traditional crops. On the other hand, opponents argue that the dangers of GM foods are still unknown and there is no telling what the long-term effects may be. They also fear that some native plant species may become extinct. Is it safe to consume GM foods? According to the World Health Organization (WHO), the GM foods currently available on the market have passed food tests and are therefore unlikely to put human health at risk. Nevertheless, the use of modern biotechnology in food is a recent development. Governments around the world must take rigorous safety measures to ensure that all GM foods on sale in grocery stores and supermarkets are fit for human consumption.